Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Professor T-Rex, and in today's video, this is a bit serious. Char, seryoso. Yeah, I just really want to raise an awareness, guys, especially to those who are still starting, who are not very familiar when it comes to cryptocurrencies. No, kasi guys, kaninang umaga, uh, 5 a.m. kakagising ko lang, syempre, antok ka pa, and then I had to prepare for work, and then uh, I went straight in front of my laptop no to prepare for my classes. Tapos I checked also my Telegram and I saw an announcement. Tapos yung announcement channel na yun guys is from a project that I've been really following. And then they have a scheduled pre-sale on 27. And in my calendar sa aking laptop, it's 17. So I was assuming na 7 kasi may 7. So akala ko ngayon na yung pre-sale. And then on the announcement channel na yun, talagang yung content ng announcement channel guys, parehong-pareho doon sa original one. And ako, I never really joined fake Telegram channels, guys. Kung mag-join man ako, it always comes from the website talaga ng mga link, no? So, I was confident na yung channel na yun, na announcement, was really coming from the official channel ng project na yun. Kasi talaga lahat, guys, parehong-pareho. And then, yun daw, may announcement doon na pre-sale na daw, tapos 60 minutes. Alam niyo yung feeling na antok ka pa. Tapos, I was also preparing for my class. I wasn't really thinking straight that time, kaninang umaga. So, nag-click ako ng link na yon, and then it redirected me to a very, I don't know, legit looking talaga yung website, guys. Actually, ito yung website na yon. Alam niyo naman na talagang I've been following Wanaka for a while now, and when I found out na meron na sila palang pre-sale, because I was really thinking it was 17 no, not 27. So agad-agad guys, nag-join ako sa pre-sale na to. And yun, ang tanga ko talaga, promise guys, na-scam ako. Dito, you have to like copy this and then send an amount of BNB or depende sa USDT, USDC or ETH guys. Tapos, ayun na siyempre, meron pa siyang hindi pa siya ubos. May time pa ako sumali. Tapos, ayun guys, scam pala siya. So, nasaktan ako kanina. While teaching, no, while having my orientation with my class, talagang mangyak-ngyak ako sa nawala sa akin na amount of BNB. Kasi syempre, hard-earned money mo. Tapos, ewan ko, alam mo yun, hindi mo alam paano ka napunta sa channel na yun. Hindi naman ako nag-join sa channel na yun. Well, sadly guys, a lot of people now in Telegram could just add you on their, fake Telegram channels without your knowledge, without your consent. Actually, alam ko na eh, kailangan ginawa ko na noon pa eh. Alam ko na kailangan i-edit ko yung privacy and security ko sa Telegram kasi maraming nag-a-add din sa akin kaya pala nagpo-pop out na lang bigla, may mga groups na lang or channels na lang bigla na lumalabas sa Telegram ko kasi hindi ko pa na-edit yung setting. Tapos sa sobrang busy ko, syempre may mga seminar, may mga meeting, may vlogging pa and so on. Nakakalimutan ko na siyang gawin. So kanina nung na-scam ako, ginawa ko na lang talaga siya, na-prioritize ko tuloy siya. So sa mga hindi pa marunong, so sa mga hindi pa familiar, ayan guys, no, ingat-ingat kayo, especially sa Telegram groups, and for you to avoid going to fake Telegram groups without your knowledge, you just have to go to your settings. So ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano. So ito yung ating Telegram dito sa taas guys, click nyo lang yan dyan. And then, makikita nyo dito sa settings. Tapos guys, click mo lang itong privacy and security. And then, groups and channels. Tapos, tick mo yung my contacts only. Who can add me to groups and channels only? The people in your contacts. Okay, not everybody. And then, click save. Para hindi ka nalang magulat na nasa fake Telegram channel ka na pala. So, ayan guys, very important pala talaga ito. Ngayon ko lang talaga siya na-realize na talagang importante siya. Bakit hindi ko siya binigyan ng time noon no, nung hindi pa ako na-scam. I don't know if, well, I guess this is not too late pa naman because at least it won't happen again to me. And, siguro, ano lang talaga, there are times that no matter how smart you think you are, there are some people who can still really fool you ba. Tapos, wala eh. Minsan talaga nakakainis. Ba't ang tanga-tanga ko kanina? Alam niyo yun yung yeah, no matter what excuses I have, it was still, too naive for me to do. Pero yun guys, gusto ko lang na hindi to mangyari sa inyo, okay? And buti na lang din yung na-invest ko doon ay yung amount of money lang din na kaya ko lang din naman mawala. So yun lang, no? Lesson learned talaga, and that's the sad event of my day. And yeah, gusto ko lang siyang ma-share sa inyo, especially sa mga hindi pa familiar na, baka mangyari to sa inyo guys. So, that's it. I have to go because I still have a class. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day, everyone. Bye.